Hello and welcome back to the channel. I just thought I would document how to reset the service light on a Honda Jazz. I'm not quite sure of the year of this vehicle, but I think it's something like 2008 onwards, the newer shape ones. What you do is, obviously, you've got the service light on, you use these controls on the steering wheel. So what we're going to do is we're on the service light now, and we'll just hold in the reset button. And it should, if not, I've got to go through a different way. It's just hold it in, and they generally do reset, but I think I need to go back through the menu to where it was on originally. So we'll just find out if it is, which I believe it is. So, there. When the screen goes back to the normal view, hold in the reset button. Just keep it held in. There. And it brings up that. So what you want to do is then press, I think it's the info button. Yeah, to that cycle, and then keep your finger held on the reset button again. There, see? Now it's saying 270. Then you go to A, you hold it in again. Just keep it held in. It does take time, that's the whole point of it. There, see? And then you use the info button. Up to the little circle arrow. And press it. Keep it held in. There. 360, which is basically a year. Then you go back, you scroll through. Back. Just using that, the select button. Through the mileages. There you go. And that's it, done. So now we'll take the key out. Pointing the key at the screen of the phone. Key out. Start it up. And now, it should, see the little there used to be a little info button. I'll open the door, I'll show you what I mean. That little symbol there used to be on all the time. And that's it. That's how you reset a service light on a Honda Jazz. I'll go out because I'm not 100% sure of the year of this car, but it's this kind of shape. I'm not going to put the number plate in, but you'll get what I mean. It's that shape of Honda Jazz. I'm sure it's 2008 onwards. Easy as that, no diagnostic equipment needed. So I'll just switch it over. If you like this kind of comment, if you like this kind of content, leave a comment, like and subscribe. Every little helps for my channel to grow. So I'll catch you next time. Bye.